Is it visible? Just give me information.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So finally, we have concluded that uh, it is designed for accepting the language which is having even number of zeros and even number of ones. Okay. So now this is just the simulation. Okay. So if I want to simulate this particular finite automata, so how I will simulate? Just like we have simulated the finite state machine, similarly we will be simulating this particular machine. So how we will simulate? So for simulating I will be needing this model, right, or machine we can say. So if we are taking this particular example, so here how I will take the different heads. So first head will be current state. Is it visible? Yeah, maybe. Likewise, I should have this. So it will have current state, then second current input symbol, and third thing will be the next state. Because in this we are not having output with us, right? So now I'll be simulating for the example which is 1010. So we know that it is having even number of uh, zeros and even number of ones, but whether the machine is also giving the same decision or not, we have to show it. So why very first in the finite automata we had two types of states: initial state which we denote by the arrow and final state which we denote by double circle. So always your input is given to the initial state. So my current state will be my initial state which is nominated as Q0, and it will be denoted like this, or we can say it is a initial state, right? After this we will be having, so what is the current input symbol? So very first the current input symbol is 1. So here the 1 will be the current input symbol, and my next step will be, so I will look into this machine and check if to Q0, if we give input as 1, it is moving to state Q1. Okay, so my next state will be Q1. Now this Q1 will act as my current state, and now the next input symbol will be red, which will be 0. Now, if my current state is Q1 and input is 0, are you getting 0? Then we will be moving to what? Q3 state. So my next state is Q3. After this, this will be acting as a current state. Next input symbol is 1. So on Q3, if my input is 1, it is moving to Q2 state. So next state becomes here Q2. After this, once again, this Q2 will act as the initial state, and my next input symbol will be red, that will be 0. So on Q2, if you give input as 0, it is moving to state Q0. So it is moving to state Q0. Now since Q0 is a final state, we will declare that this machine is accepting a string 1010, and this string is belonging to a language which will be generated by or accepted by this machine. Is it clear? This first example. We will try one another odd example. So example 2, again I will take this string as input. Okay, so now I will not write here again current state and this. So for this, initially current state will remain initial state, that is initial state. Then my current input symbol will be 1. My next state will be, so Q0, just like here Q0 on 1 moves to Q1, right? See here also Q0 on 1 moves to Q1. Now this Q1 will act as the next current state, right? Now here My next input is 1 again. Okay. So now at the Q1, if we give input as 1, it will move to Q0, right? So next state will be Q0. Again, this Q0 is acting as in the next state for this case, this combination. So here, so I can say here Q, this is summation and this is a next state, right? So here now Q0, next input will be 1. So Q0 on 1, just like we have just seen, it is moving to again Q1 state. Now at the Q1, if we give input as 0, at Q1, if we give input as 0, it is moving to Q3. Q3. Now our whole string is red and our finite automata has reached to a state which is a Q3, which is a non-final state, and hence we will declare this string is not acceptable to the finite automata. Clear? Clear? Right? So Q3 is non-final state, so it is be declared as it is not a acceptable string. I hope this is clear to you with these two examples. Now we are moving ahead. So in the transition graph of a finite automata, we are having two types of states and how they are denoted. So transition graph. Is it? So transition graph for FA, it is having what notations? It is using different notations. So it is having initial state, which is denoted by the like this notation. Another way to represent is initial state is by minus. Okay, if you have any state which is having minus inside, so it is indicating it is a initial state. Second is the final state, which is represented by double circle. So always initial state will be having incoming age. Okay, with an arrow. Another notation is like this, plus. Okay, so if the initial and final states are same, then it will be denoted by this notation which we have seen in earlier example, and with the help of plus minus, if it is to be shown, then it will be shown like this, minus plus or plus minus. So as soon as you see this type of notation, you should understand the same state is acting as initial as well as final state. So I hope this is again clear to you. Now next we will be discussing about what do you mean by acceptance of a string or acceptance of language. Okay, so one thing is clear that whenever we are having any finite automata, it is designed for generating or accepting any language. Okay, so whether a given finite automata is accepting a particular language or not, or whether it is accepting a particular string or not, how we will show it. So if we have to show this acceptance of a string, then we will say that a string X is said to be accepted by FA if M is equal to Q alphabet delta Q0 F. Delta Q0 comma X is equal to P, where P is what? Some final state for some P which is belonging to F. What do you understand with this? It means delta is a mathematic STF function. So if you give any string, so here in our example I can say that I have done this Q0 comma 1110. If I have given, and if it is reaching, so in our case it has not reached to P which is belonging to F, right? So here it has not reached, so it is not acceptable. But if it is reaching, for example, this string when we had as an input, that time we had reached to P, where P is nothing but belonging to final state. If it is not belonging to final state, okay, then it is not acceptable. Just now I have shown you with the example, and if it is reaching to a final state, then so this is a final state, so it is acceptable. Okay, so there can be a question. Now I don't know whether you'll be getting written papers for your subject, but this can be asked as a objective question as well, with different options, when you will say that particular string is acceptable to any finite automata or not. So here we can say like this, yes, M is equal to this. Then if it is happening, if we give an input string to a initial state, if it is reaching to final state, it is acceptable. Similarly, when we will say it is acceptable, or the language is acceptable to particular finite automata, so acceptance of language by FA. So when we will say this, then what will happen? All the, if there is a language, if there is a language L such that L is equal to X, where delta Q0 comma X is in F. What this means? That every string in this will be acceptable by the finite automata. Okay, so then it is said to be accepted by FAM. Okay, and it is denoted by LM. I have already told this. Now the language which is acceptable by FA are called as regular language or regular set. Clear? So in short, the question can be asked as, Which languages are acceptable to finite automata? So you should answer regular languages, because we are going to learn many different kinds of languages as well. So finite automata accepts the regular languages or regular sets. In other terms, how it can be asked? It can be asked which machine is used to check the acceptance of a regular language. So you should answer finite automata. You should not answer some other machine, because you will be getting another machine's options. So I hope again this is clear to you.